As a DP and cam op, being able to quickly change your camera setup is essential on set. So today I'm going to show you how I use the Zacuto ecosystem to quickly change my camera setup from tripod to handheld to my Steadicam. Let's get into it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is prep. So let's start off here with the tripod. Go ahead and take the tripod plate and mount it on the bottom of the Zacuto FCT tripod plate. Make sure you use at least 2 screws. All right, perfect. It should look like this. All right, once that's good, go ahead and slide this into the tripod. Make sure it's centered and tighten that down. All right, the next step is to set up the VCT Pro base plate. Go ahead and loosen this front knob right here. We'll slide these rods in the front. Once they're in place, go ahead and tighten this. It's one of those levers where you tighten, you pull out, take it back, and then you can tighten it some more. So make sure it's on there tight. That's good. All right, the next thing you want to do is mount the dual trigger grips onto the VCT Pro base plate. So go ahead and slide this into the rods right here. And you want to have it near the end of the rods. And then you can go ahead and tighten that with this lever right here. And make sure it's on there really tight. All right, perfect. It should look like this. Next, all you have to do is slide this top piece onto the VCT tripod plate and you'll hear a click, and that's how you know it's locked in. There we go, locked in. I forgot to mention that you need to take off the hand grip on the FX6 and mount it onto the trigger grip here on the Zacuto. So in order to do that, all you have to do is unplug it right here on the camera. And then there's a button right under here under the grip. Hold that and then turn the camera clockwise and it pops right off. Then over here, you'll twist this left so it's loose. Line up the white dot on the hand grip to the white dot on the trigger grip. Twist it counterclockwise until it clicks. Turn this right until it tightens. Hold this knob in and bring it back. And you also need to add this 3.5mm aux cable extender into the hand grip right here. And then you can put this right back here on the top. All right, next you want to use the Steadicam dovetail plate and attach it to the bottom of the Zacuto VCT Pro tripod dock. And you want to use at least 3 screws. I personally use 4. Okay, once you have those tightened up, it should look something like this. Go ahead and push this button here on the top of the Steadicam. Slide that in. And then you'll go ahead and tighten it with this lever right here. And there we go. All right, the last thing you need to do is mount the VCT Pro top plate to the bottom of the FX6. All right, it should look like this and it should be on there pretty tight. Definitely make sure there's 2 screws in there. So that's it for prepping everything. Now I can show you how I move from tripod to handheld to Steadicam. Let's get into it. All right, perfect. Now, just like with any other tripod, you're gonna go ahead and loosen this right here. Grab your camera, press this button on the side, slide it forward, and then go ahead and tighten that down. All right, there you go, simple as that. Now the camera's on the tripod, ready to go. Once you have the camera on the tripod, don't forget to plug in the extended 3.5mm jack into the camera. And what I do is I use this Velcro strip and I just Velcro it to the camera. Perfect. Now, if I want to do handheld, all I have to do is hold this red trigger and pull out. It releases, and there we go. So sometimes I like holding it like this with the hand grip on the back because I like using this small HD monitor on the top. So then I can just kind of go like this. Have the battery pressed against my chest. And it's just one way to do handheld. And then when you're done and you want to put it back on the tripod, all you have to do is slide it on here, click, and it's good to go. So alternatively, if you want to have it rested on your shoulder, all you have to do is extend out the grip handles like this, and you do the same thing. You just hold this red piece in, lift out, and there you go. So if you have an eyepiece, you can go like this. I don't have one, but this is how a lot of people do handheld on the shoulder. So that's one way. And again, super simple to put back on the tripod. Just slide it in until it clicks. Now, if you want to go from tripod to Steadicam, I usually take off this small HD monitor, which is simple as just loosening this piece right here. I unplug these, put that down. After I take off the monitor, then I unloosen the hand grip 3.5mm extended cable. That goes over here. Then I loosen it like a normal tripod, hold this button down, come back, and then I come over here to my Steadicam, and I do the same thing like a normal tripod. Loosen this, press this in, slide that in, tighten it up, and there you go. And obviously I would probably remove the SDI, and I would also remove this D-tap. And typically you would already have this balanced out, so whenever you move from tripod to Steadicam, all you have to do is put the vest on, put the arm in, and then you're ready to fly. So, all right, there you have it. So that's how I use the Zacuto ecosystem to quickly change my camera setup from tripod, handheld to Steadicam. And the reason why this is super important is because time is money. These production companies are spending thousands, tens of thousands of dollars for locations and all this other stuff, and it gets expensive. So every minute counts. They want to be able to shoot as much as they can in as little amount of time as possible. It also looks good on you as a DP or cam op. If they see you can effectively change your camera setup that fast, you might get picked up for more jobs. It looks more professional. So yeah, that's just something to consider as well. Yeah, that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you gained something out of it. If you have any questions, please let me know. But that's gonna be it. God bless. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.